Yes, plus one class students, good day to all. I am Amritpal Singh with part number 6 lecture of microeconomics here, and today we are going to discuss the central problems of economy, problem number 2. Before I start proceeding further, let's take a little quick recall what we were discussing in our previous video. In our previous video, we were discussing about the problems of economy. Those are simply 3. Human wants are unlimited, resources are limited, means scarcity of resources, okay? And then we had the resources have alternative uses also. So 3 problems of economies were there, and then we were discussing the central problems of economy, in which we touched only one central problem, which was what to produce. What goods and services are to be produced, whether these are luxurious goods, capital goods, consumer goods, defensive goods, war goods, etc. So now in this particular video we have to complete our 3 central problems of economy, and we are at second central problem of economy, which is how to produce. So you can see on the blackboard how to produce. This is our second central problem of economy. So the second central problem of an economy is how to produce, how goods and services are to be produced. It is related with the choice of technique of production. It means we have to make a choice between which technique of production should be used. We have 2 types of technique of production. We have labor intensive technique of production, and we have capital intensive technique of production. As it is speaking by itself, the name is speaking by itself. Labor intensive technique is helpful for generating more employment. Means if we are using this technique, so it will be helpful for generating more and more employment. And capital intensive technique, in which we use more capital, more machines than labor. Okay, so if we are opting for capital intensive technique, it will accelerate the pace of production. It will increase our production. If the work is being done by the machine, it will be little bit quicker than labor intensive technique. So the economy will decide that which technique of production will increase the production with minimum cost. We are not only observing that which will be accelerating our pace of production, we are also considering that which is cheaper in terms of effort, money and time. These things we have to keep in mind. Let's take an example. In the season of harvesting, when wheat is being harvested, rice is being harvested in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, there are some states which are rich in agriculture sector. There we use combined machines. Various combined machines are there for harvesting purposes. You may be aware of regarding this. So harvesting combined machines are accelerating the pace of harvesting. So if we are using that technique, in 2 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours, we will be able to harvest the whole piece of land. But if we are using the labor intensive technique there, with the help of labor, it will be harvested, but it will take some more time, and it will be also costly in terms of money, in terms of time, in terms of effort. Okay, so the second central problem of economy, how to produce, we are having such kind of material, such kind of content. And students, please note it down in such a manner that this is your material, this is your content for examination also. If one problem is there, every time in examination, either it is September examination or final examinations, so there may be any one problem can be asked. Okay, so if this problem comes in the examination, so you have to write down in your in the examination, and please pause the video here, note it down, you can see on the blackboard. Yes students, so now we are at problem number 3 and last central problem of economy, that for whom to produce. So it means for whom to produce, कि किसके लिए बनाना है. It is related with the distribution of goods and services. Let us see. The third central problem of an economy is for whom goods and services are to be produced. For whom goods and services are to be produced. This problem is related with this is the main thing, is related with the distribution of goods and services. Our society, our economy is divided into 2 sectors, 2 parts. two sections, that is rich and the poor. So this is decided that goods and services are to be produced for which section, that is for rich people or for poor people. हमारे पास दो कैटेगरीज हैं. वी आर टू डिसाइड दैट वी आर targeting which section, the rich people or the poor people. Okay, we are deciding our goods and services for which section, for rich people or for poor people. Our resources are limited and we cannot produce goods for both the sections. मीन्स या तो हम पुअर लोगों को टारगेट करेंगे, उनके लिए बनाएंगे, either we will go for the rich people because our resources are limited and we cannot increase the production of both the goods, I mean for both the sections, not only for rich, not only for poor, only for rich, only for poor. Okay, so social justice, सामाजिक न्याय, social justice is promoted if more goods are produced for the poor. न्याय तो तभी होगा अगर हम गरीब लोगों के को ज़्यादा ध्यान में रखें, उनके लिए ज़्यादा गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज प्रोड्यूस करें. सो सोशल जस्टिस इज प्रमोटेड इफ गुड्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड फॉर मोर for the poor. It will reduce the inequality. Basically there is a gap, there is a section in our society which is called have and have nots. है जिसके पास है और जिसके पास नहीं है. सो इट विल रिड्यूस द इनइक्वालिटी, जो इनइक्वालिटी है इट विल रिड्यूस द इनइक्वालिटी, बट इट विल आल्सो रिजल्ट इन लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, क्योंकि अगर हम गरीब लोगों के लिए सामान बनाएंगे एंड इट विल नॉट गिव अस मोर प्रॉफिट, इट विल रिजल्ट इन टू लॉस. Producer will only producing goods for poor, which will result in loss, means low profit. Okay, GDP growth will be there if we are producing goods for rich people. और GDP grow हम कब कर सकते हैं? If we are producing goods for rich people. Okay, it's a simple phenomena, simple fact. So GDP growth will be there if we are producing goods for रिच, बट इट विल इंक्रीज इनइक्वालिटी. अगर हम अमीर लोगों को टारगेट करेंगे तो पुअर लोग बेचारे वो मारे जाएंगे, उनके लिए तो कोई सामान बनाएगा ही नहीं. सो द इकोनॉमी विल आइदर गो फॉर सोशल जस्टिस, आइदर वी विल अचीव द सोशल जस्टिस, आइदर वी विल गो विद जीडीपी ग्रोथ. या हम सोशल जस्टिस को देखेंगे, अपने माइंड में रखेंगे, आइदर वी विल गो विद जीडीपी ग्रोथ. ओके, सो देयर इज अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. देयर आर सो मेनी कंपनीज which make earphones, headphones. So some headphones, some earphones are there which are of 10,000 rupees, which are of 20,000 rupees, and some are there which are of 100 rupees and 200 rupees. So for whom they are making goods of earphones of such high rates? Obviously for rich people, they are targeting rich people. So in this problem we discuss कि सामान किसके लिए बनाया जाएगा, either for rich people, either for poor people. Okay, so you can see your blackboard, students, note it down in your fair notebook. Yes students, so now we are going to wind up our this video with the precise homework. But before I give you the homework, let us recall what we have discussed in this video so far. We have discussed two central problems, how to produce and for whom to produce. In how to produce, this problem was related with the concept of that which technique of production should be used. We have labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. Labor intensive technique is helpful for generating more and more employment, क्योंकि हम मजदूरों से ज़्यादा काम करवाते हैं. And capital intensive technique will be helpful for accelerating the pace of production. That if we are using more machines than labor, it will increase the pace of production. Okay, so basically the economy is deciding that which technique of production is most suitable for them. That was problem number 2. Then problem number 3, which we have touched, for whom to produce, कि किसके लिए बनाना है. Either we are targeting the rich people or the poor people. If we are going with the poor people, we can achieve the target of equality or social justice in our economy, but it will result into low productivity, low investment, etc. But if we are targeting the rich people, it will increase the GDP growth, but it will also cause the gap between rich and the poor in our society. So the economy will decide that either we are to go with social justice or either we are to go with GDP growth. Okay, the first problem which we have discussed in our previous video, that was related with what to produce, that what goods and services are to be produced, capital goods, luxurious goods, defensive goods, war goods, etc. So there is a choice between what goods and services are to be produced. So in this way we are able to complete our all the three problems, central problems of economy. Now there is a precise homework. Read and write all the three central problems of economy in your fair notebook. Okay, so these you have to read also, these you have to learn also, write also. And if you are facing any problem, you can contact me at 94657 And before I take a leave, students, I would like to request you drink a plenty of water. Do maintain your fair notebook. You can be called at any time in your school, and make a proper timetable while doing the work at home. Okay, I hope that you all are understanding and enjoying the study of +1 class. Don't forget, you all are awesome. Thank you very much.